Hi, I'm Tiffany with Headcovers.com, and today I'm going to show you how to tie a rectangular headscarf, a classic bow. The rectangle headscarf is perfect for women who like the look of extra fabric hanging in the back, similar to a ponytail. I'm wearing our Meridian beanie. It has gathered sides and light padding on top to go ahead and give us extra volume underneath our headscarf and to prevent the scarf from slipping. I'm using our Oblong Batik headscarf, and it's the perfect length and width for tying. However, you can use any rectangular headscarf. You just might have to fold it in half or fold it in a quarter to get the perfect head coverage. To start, I'm going to take the edge and fold it in so that you hide the seam. I'm going to take the folded edge and place it along the hairline. And when we do this, we want to make sure it's centered against the forehead. And from here, we're going to tie an initial knot. And once we do that, we're going to want to make sure that we have full head coverage, so adjust it over your ears if needed and against your forehead. And just like tying your shoes, we're going to tie a bow. And once you tie your bow, you can fluff out the sides to give you more volume. This is our finished look, and this is the easiest way to tie your rectangular headscarf. To give us another look, what we can do is take that folded edge and line it up with an ear. And we're going to follow the same steps. So take your two long ends and tie them in a knot. And at this step, what we're going to want to do is adjust it over the hairline and on the ears to make sure you have the full head coverage. And just like last time, we're going to tie a bow. And you can fluff out the sides. And this is another look. Do you prefer the scarf tied in the back or on the side? Let me know in the comments below which one you're going to try first. All of the products are linked in the description box below, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.